Dandruff is a common scalp disorder that is caused by dry skin, growth of bacteria and fungus on the scalp, unhygienic hair care, and other scalp problems. An effective remedy to treat dandruff is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has excellent antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a good treatment for dandruff. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to your regular shampoo, ideally 1 drop of tea tree oil for 3 ml of shampoo. Rub the shampoo oil mixture onto your scalp. Rinse it out after 5 minutes. Regular follow-up of this process will definitely help to prevent dandruff within a short span. Do this at least once a week until your dandruff is gone away.